If you want to sound more confident, you need to listen to this message. Most people ruin their confidence the moment they open their mouth, not because they don't know what to say, but because of how they say it. You've probably heard people start sentences with, I think, or I'm not sure. These phrases are confidence killers. So, if you want to sound more confident, you need to replace it with one simple phrase. In my experience, this phrase changes everything. It shows that you are speaking from what you know, not guessing. It sounds grounded, certain, and authentic, even if you're not 100% sure. So, the next time you're in a meeting, a conversation, or even an argument, don't say I think. Say in my experience, because confidence isn't only about being loud, it's also about sounding sure.